Oh, alright, where are we going? This way. Get the road! Ride safe, motherfuckers. Ride safe. There could be a dickhead on the road like me. Because it's 8 in the morning. 8 AM. I've pounded a Red Bull. Can't see out my fucking mirror. I've had a cup of tea, pounded a Red Bull. Probably gonna shit myself because I got the delicate belly. There's a dog. Hey dog. Hey dog. Piggin, piggin, piggin. Don't be a squidgin. Ah, it's gone over my head. It's probably shot at me. Nah, it didn't shit on me. It's cool. Morning. They don't know who I am. There's another dog. There's 2 dogs. Hello, dog. Indicate, indicate. So if you're new to the channel, hello, I am the Father, the Son, the Spirit, everything that is a dickhead. And oh yeah, I like that. My guy. Girl. Alright. Yeah, there's a dog. Hey! If I was me and I saw me coming up to her, what's going on here? Is it busy there or something? It's gotta be busy. Yeah, if I was me and I saw me coming up to a fucking roundabout or some shit, I'd be like, who's this dickhead? Why is this fucking bike so loud? I had someone message me and they were like, oh, you ride the same places as Ride With Me. It's because we're from the same place. I'm like, oh, you should ride. I've messaged him, I've asked him, haven't heard anything back yet, but it is what it is. Sure, if he even sees the message, he'll shoot me a reply. It'll either be a yes or a no, be one or the other. Oh, disgusting, that's gonna smell in my helmet. Do a wheelie. Dog, there's a dog. I like your dog. Fucking hell. Everyone's trying to get into the same places. What's happening? Thank you. You might as well slow down, mate, because there's fucking choco-block back there, brother. Why your car up like that? Why your car up like that? Oh, hello. What's beeping in my ear? I got a message. Oh, I nearly missed the gear change. I was talking to Reevy Motovlogs. I don't know if you know him, I hope you do. He's a really, really, really good motovlogger. Got some sick wheelies, got a beautiful NT07. Bit of a nutter. But yeah, I was talking to him this morning before I came out. And do you know what? That dude literally just wants everyone to win. Everybody. He's such a nice, genuine guy. That's a nice hat, dude. I'm gonna tell him. I like your hat. I'm not going now. You don't know me. You don't know me. Morning. My bike's slower than yours. My bike's loud today. She's growling. Why you growling, baby? Why are you so loud for? I like your bike. I like your bike. No. No one's talking today. Don't do that. It's illegal. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, on camera too. What a bunch of fucking lunatics. There's an owl in that tree, I can hear it. You guys won't be able to hear it, but I can. Boom, 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 boom. I love the fucking sound of a fucking 4-stroke, man. It's beautiful. What are you looking at, you cunt? I'm in a bike lane. I'm in a good mood, yeah, 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 yeah. Hello. That's a nice bike. That's a nice bike. Hey. Morning. No, too busy to talk? Okay, cool, fuck you. Even still recording. Where the fuck are you going? What's up? Jeez. Yeah, fucking crackmonger. I'm literally on autopilot to go home. I mean work. What am I talking about? Lost half me fucking car park. What's going on? Why did I duck? My dickhead. Oh, there's a COVID test center. Gross. I know I'm in a disabled bay, but it's okay because I said so. You don't have to indicate there, love. There's only one way you can go. Oh, he's gonna pull out on me. Thank you. Am I gonna get past him? Yep, I'm not getting past that though. Fucking indicator on, mate. Thank you all. You alright? Yeah. How you know me? Get recognised. How'd you know me?
I've seen the video.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Nice. Where you going? Ah, see. You going to Dunstable? Yeah, I'm going that way as well, man. Ride with me. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. It's nice, man. I'm gonna ride with this guy to college, man. Fuck it. Keep up. Yes, my guy. Come on, brother. What a ledge. Recognize me from my videos. Oh, ambulance, even better. That's nice. He's got some. What a legend. What a legend. My guy. Hey, why you gonna leave me hanging? Hey, my guy. My guy. What a fucking hero. I got a friend to ride with. I'm a gas. I don't even know his name. I should ask him his name. I'm gonna ask him his name. What's your name? What's your name? Joseph. Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. You right being in the video? You right being in the video? Do you want to be in the video? Yeah. Come on, Joseph. Yamasaki, I think he said that is. Dope. I lost him. Oh no, he's up my arse. He's on that side. Let him up. I hope he's subscribed. He said he watched some videos, but I hope he's subscribed. Oh my god. I'm gonna just follow you, bro. Yeah? Huh? Yeah, same. Yeah. It's a nice bike. It's a nice big bike. Here, kid. Cameras. So you say that it's a Yamasaki? Huh? You say that's a Yamasaki? Yeah. That's alright, you know. Huh? Nice and big. Yeah, has problems. Yeah. What's your top speed? Huh? What's your top speed? It's not bad. Yeah. Chain needs adjusting. Yamasaki RE. Decent. It's very upright, whereas mine's a bit more forward. Still very nice. Yeah. It's so loud, man. Huh? Yeah, just recording. Your chain looks a little loose. Your chain looks a little bit loose. Yeah. Not much. Is that you then, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Nice to meet you too, bro. Take it easy, ride safe. That's a nice bike. Look after it, yeah? Literally, small adjustments, yeah? And you're cool to be in the video?
I've got my college ID.
Ah, shit.
I'll pay for it.
Yeah, fuck it. You good to be in the video, yeah? Alright, brother. I'm gonna catch you later. Take it easy. You subscribed?
Yeah.
Alright, man. The video will be up tomorrow. Alright, man. Take it easy. No. little subscriber. Ooh, I want to go in there. I want to, but I can't. Right, anyway, we need to get home. That's a big drop. And where the fuck do you think you're going? Oh dear. That was funny. Joseph was like, I know you. Where you know me from? Like I forget that I put out fucking videos on the internet for everyone to see. Across multiple channels as well. How funny. They need to fucking sort this road out. Fucking hell. Talk about shit the life out of me. Go then, cement boy. See ya. I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, thank you for being awesome. Please hit like and subscribe, please do all that good. I really need it. I just want to succeed at what I like doing. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you later in the next one. I love you, bye. I wish I had a sticker or something to give him. That would have been cool. Oh, it's red.